Republican Congressman Jason Smith just filed a brief with the judge, entering into evidence the IRS whistleblower testimony. Basically a legal move to get the judge to think, you know what, are you really going to let this guy off so easy? And Hunter Biden's attorney called the courthouse clerk today and pretended to be a Republican attorney and told the clerk, oops, you know what, we didn't really mean to file all that whistleblower stuff. Can you guys just strike that from the record? Seriously, Hunter Biden's lawyer made a phony phone call to the court and tried to remove the whistleblower testimony. He called and impersonated the opposing lawyer. Hey, this is a Republican attorney Chris Clark. Oh, never mind that amicus brief. Just forget about it. That was an accident. Good day, young lady. This sounds like the kind of caper you cook up when you're on cocaine. Hey, guys, you know what we should do? We should just call the courthouse and pretend we're the other lawyer. Democrats just called this whole investigation a clown show, and Hunter Biden's lawyers are making prank calls to the judge on the eve of the plea deal.
That is Hunter Biden entering the court there in Wilmington, Delaware, expected to plead guilty to 2 misdemeanors regarding taxes and to come to some agreement on a gun felony. Okay, so we've just concluded about 3 hours in the courthouse behind me, and the judge has said that for now she is not going to accept the plea agreement for the president's son. She is deferring it. She needs more information about the misdemeanor tax charges and the agreement on the tax charges, as well as this diversion program for a felony gun charge. She needs more information before she can decide whether to accept the plea agreement. I want to quote what the judge told the party. She said, quote, "You are telling me to rubber stamp this agreement. You are telling me this is form over substance." On the diversion agreement for the gun charge, she has significant concerns that elements of that agreement may be, in her words, unconstitutional. At the close, she asked Hunter Biden's attorney, Chris Clark, whether his client still wanted to plead not guilty as she works out some of these remaining issues in the agreement. And he said, no, my client now pleads not guilty. Whoa. So just for some context, we entered this hearing earlier today where he said he was willing to plead guilty under the deal that had been negotiated between his attorney and the U.S. attorney in Delaware. And after 3 hours of litigating this deal, a deal the judge said she has significant concerns about, he has now entered a plea of not guilty.